I'm Grandpa Owen, and I love you. Come on a journey with me.
I'm Grandma Owen, and I love you. Come join our family. God is so good,
And He loves you.
Life is grand.
Yes, it is.
You are love.
You are love and family to me.
Okay, this is Grandma Owen's very first vlog here, and I've brought with me on this hike Barbie, my daughter, and Eli from Florida at the beautiful Zion National Park. And we are good, we are ready to go.
If she ever eats me out of money and we need the rent, well, that'll be a cinch, 'cause when we're in a pinch, I can put her to work under a circus tent. The bigger the figure, the better I like it, the better I like it, the better I feel it, the better I feel it, the bigger the figure, the bigger the figure, the more I can love.
It's in your soul. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Keep believing. I know you know. I know you know.
Deep inside,
Deep inside that your time has come. Once in every lifetime. If you do believe, man can move a mountain, change the course of history. How far we've come, so far from home. Okay, so there are chipmunks all over up here. It is so fun. But I found a couple of shuttle buses, so now you can see how high up we are. Look at them. And I'm going to hold on to the camera really tight.
If I was standing there, I'd be freaking out, but I'm fine. Chipmunk.
That's because you got more body weight back here than you do over there.
That is a condor. Come on back over, babe. Yes.
Oh, look at that now. Look at it now, Debbie. It's right here. Look.
Mama.
Come on, girl. You're behind me all the way.
I'll wait.
Here. Two. Okay, Barb. One step, beautiful. That's the top.
I can't have it. I can't
So,
have it any
but
other
we've
way.
got 5 more minutes, man. We can do this. And we'll make it in the 45 minutes they said. Oh, there's the condor again. See it coming over the edge?
No, pile up my arms.
now it's gone.
It's underneath your legs.
It's coming back on, I'm sure.
Or maybe not. Okay, well, you know. This is the top. This is the top.
I'm on top of the world.
Hey, I'm on top of the world. Hey, been it what for a while now. Pay my dues to the dirt.
And that
Hi. Yeah.
It's better.
It's better.
And when we say the top of the world,
I mean it.
ladies and gentlemen, grandchildren around the world, we are not kidding.
Angel's Landing.
Angel's Landing. Here we are. When we sing the top of the world, we ain't kidding. Look at this. So worth it. Oh my word.
This is gorgeous.
I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Yeah, the top of Angel's Landing. Woo! Unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end. Here we are at the top of Angel's Landing, and I'm going to bring you around so that you can see that we have been up here since the sun is going to set. Is that beautiful? Look at that. Yeah! From the top of Angel's Landing, Grandma loves you very much. I just want you to be a part of this. Look at the color and the depth. Oh my gosh, this is so worth it.
I've got a lot of color and a lot of depth.
All right, people. What goes up, unfortunately, has got to go back down. Oh, what a shot.
Stuck in my head too.
And soon you'll be walking off Angel's Landing.
No, walking off it.
Out. She said out.
Out. I said out. You heard off. I said off. But it's out.
So we'll be walking off Angel's Landing. Okay.
That's enough.
That's not. Let's survive today. How's that sound?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? Ready?
What are we ready for?
The next descent. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, can I show you why we're taking this slow? Yeah, Now you understand why we're taking it slow. Because this is what it looks like coming off of Angel's Landing.
This is
I won't
technically
pass
what
this.
it looked like.
You want to let them pass you?
We made it. And we'll be. I'm headed down to where that is. See the shuttle down there? That's where we're going. And we're going to take a whole lot of switchbacks between here and there. On the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.